Hello, guys. My name is Luis Alejandro Rubiano. I'm a mathematics and economics undergraduate student at Los Andes University in Colombia. And today I'm going to be showing you a project I've been working on. So, yeah, my project consists on a Python 3 interpreter of the unlimited register machine, which is a machine introduced by Nigel Cotland in his book Computability: An Introduction to Recursive Function Theory, 1980. Uh, and yeah, an unlimited register machine basically is a machine that has an infinite number of registers. Each one of them has a natural number by default. All of them are zero at the beginning, except for the n first registers, which are set to an input that is given by the user. And on top of the register, it is given a set of instructions, of ordered instructions, which can be setting a register to zero, uh, adding one to the value of a register, um, copying and pasting the value of one register to another one, and if the values of two registers are equal, jump to another instruction. All right. So let's go to the installation. The installation is pretty easy. You just gotta have Python 3.10 installed in your computer. And in case you want the visual interface, you gotta install Pygame, um, running the following command in the terminal. After you have done that, you just gotta go here and you can do a fork to my GitHub repo, which is in the description of the video, or you can simply download a zip here. Mm, all right, now let's go to the usage. Okay, sorry. Um, right. So here we have a program, let's say x plus 1. So this program is pretty easy on the unlimited register machine. And we just gotta call it like this: Python 3, the name of the interpreter, and the name of the example that we want to run. In this case, is going to be x plus 1. And here it is asking us for the value of x. In this case, it's going to be, I don't know, 7. And x plus 1 uh, is a computable function in this case, and it's going to be 8. Uh, Now let's do other examples. For example, x plus y. So in this case, 4 and 5, for example. And for 4 plus 5, it's 9. Or more interesting examples. For example, one that I built myself, which gives the x Fibonacci number. Um, so here, x Fibonacci. So let's say the sixth Fibonacci. And yeah, we can see that 8 is the sixth Fibonacci. So something interesting I did here is that I also built yeah, GUI for for showing how the unlimited register machine works. So here we have a config file which we can tweak. Here max length is the maximum number of registers that are gonna be shown on the screen. The delay is gonna be the delay in seconds between each instruction, and this is the color of the of everything that is on screen. So for example, let's run the Fibonacci program, but with the visual interface. Now in this case, let's go to to the same example as before. So the 6 Fibonacci number. And here we will see step by step how the yeah how the program moves through the instructions and how it changes the values of the unlimited register machine. So yeah, that's gonna be all. If you have any comments, feel free to ask me. Yeah,